In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a refund on Taobao 2025, step by step. Start by going to taobao.com and logging into your account. On the homepage or in the app, head to My Orders, sometimes labeled My Taobao. Scroll through your purchases to locate the item you want to refund, then open that specific order to see its details and available after-sales options. Next, look for the refund button. Depending on the order status, you may see refund only or return and refund. Choose refund only if you never receive the item or if the seller allows a refund without sending anything back. Choose return and refund if you'll be shipping the product back to the seller. You'll be asked to select a refund reason. Pick the option that best matches your situation, such as item not delivered, product damage, wrong item received, product not as described, or late shipping. Choosing the most accurate reason helps Taobao and the seller understand the issue quickly. To strengthen your case, upload proof. Clear photos or a short video are best for damaged, defective, or incorrect items. Screenshots of the order page or relevant messages can also help. Make sure your evidence is easy to read and directly shows the problem. Now enter the refund details. Fill in the refund amount and add a brief explanation if requested. Keep the description factual and consistent with your photos and chosen reason. When everything looks correct, submit the refund request. After you submit, wait for the seller's response. The seller may accept the refund, offer a replacement, or suggest a partial refund. Keep your messages polite and reply within the chat to keep everything documented. If you need translation, use the app's built-in tools or your browser's translate feature. If a return is required, ship the product back to the address provided within the stated window. Pack it securely, use a trackable service if possible, and keep the receipt. Upload the tracking number to the refund page and wait for the seller to confirm receipt. If the seller refuses or doesn't respond, escalate the case within the refund page to open a dispute. Taobao will review the evidence from both sides and make a decision. If approved, the refund is processed back to your original payment method. That's it. Follow these steps, keep clear records, and monitor your refund status in the order details until it's complete.